penetration resistance across the soil profile. This means you get information, you have the compaction or the maximum. If you want to measure, the first thing is you search for a representative spot in your field. You can do one measurement or repetitions, which are of course to be preferred. And you have to take care that the conditions are good for measuring. The conditions should be that the soil is moist, close to field capacity. So not too wet, not totally saturated, but also not too dry. A dry soil has a higher penetration resistance, and so if you measure high penetration resistance, this could also be attributed to the dryness of the soil and not actually the compaction. So we found the representative spot. We put our metal plate there as a reference, and then we take our assembled dynamic penetrometer and put it in the middle of this plate, and we push it into the soil until the base, the top of the cone, is level with the metal plate. Then we put the sliding ruler on it, and then we can almost start. First, you can insert the information about the field into the app. So basic information like the location and the plowing depth, if there is soil management, for example, and then we can already start. The first thing you have to set is the falling height. So in our case, this is 40 centimeters. You put this information into the app, and we can already start measuring. We lift the hammer weight and let it fall down, and the frame penetrates the soil, and now we can already measure the penetration depth into the soil. How to do this? On this rod, on the penetrometer frame, we have marks in every 10 centimeters. And for detailed reading, we use this sliding ruler where we have a millimeter reading. So we see where this 10 centimeter marks meet the reading of the ruler. And for example, now we have 0.9 centimeters, 40 centimeters falling height and 0.9 centimeters falling height. We can do the next measurement. See where this line meets the reading of the sliding ruler. 1.8 centimeters. Next, 40 centimeters is always the same. We don't have to change this. 2.5. Next, 3.1. And so on, until you reach the depth you're interested in, for example 40-50 centimeters. If the soil is very compacted, like here, and you have too small penetration depths, it takes too long, you can also increase the falling height, for example to 45-50 centimeters. This is how you measure. Good luck for your measurements. Thanks for